Hey guys, so Umidigi announced two budget devices called the Umidigi G2 and the C2. And in this video, I'll be comparing the specs of the two devices because both devices are very identical. We'll find out if there's a difference or differences between the two devices or they are exactly the same. And before I dive into it, I'd like to point out that Umidigi has never released any rugged devices this year, but I hope to see the successors of the Umidigi G2 series this year. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of the Umidigi G2 versus the C2. So as you can see guys, both devices are 99.9% identical. So that's the comparison between the Umidigi G2 and the C2. I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.